નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ થર્ડ, સબ્જેક્ટ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ. ચેપ્ટર નંબર 4, છોટુ's house. Good morning, students. How are you all? See, you all know that house is very important for us. And you also know that how the house is made. It is made with bricks, stone, iron, then cement, etc. Right? But do you know the difference between the house and the home? You might say that both are the same only. But no, there is one difference. House means just a building. But when the house becomes home, do you know? Let me tell you. When we start living in that house, it will become a home. Right? And home protects us from heat, rain, cold, etc. Right? So it is very important for us. Each and every person might have a dream to have their own home. So in this chapter also we will learn a story of a small boy named Chotu and his house. So let's start our next chapter, that is chapter number 4, Chotu's house. It is basically a picture based story. So in this chapter there are given some pictures, and by seeing these pictures we have to create story by our own. And we all know that it is the story of a boy Chotu. So by seeing this picture we will start our story. So let's see the pictures. Now let's start our pictorial story. This story is about a little boy whose name is Chotu. So Chotu have came to Ahmedabad for the first time. So he doesn't know anyone in this city, and even he has no money and no house to live in. So he is looking here and there to find some place to live. Now let's see the next picture. See, in this picture Chotu is sitting in a rain. And why he is sitting in rain? Because he has no house and even no money. So you understood the importance of the house in our life? Because house protect us from heat, rain and cold. So house is our basic necessity also. So he is thinking that if I could also have a house, then I could also protect myself from this rain. See, in this picture you can see some children also running to their house because the rain has started. Now let's see our next picture. See, in this picture Chotu is sleeping in a pipe. He has no house, so when he saw a pipe on the roadside, he made this pipe its house itself. Means he has made his house in this pipe. So he is sleeping in his house. Now in this picture he has divided this pipe into several parts. See, in your house also you have divided your house into many parts like bedroom, drawing room, sitting room, then kitchen, bathroom, etc. Right? Like this only, this pipe is Chotu's house. So he has divided this pipe into different parts. Like outside the pipe he has kept one drum of water for drinking, then an area for drying the wet clothes, then outside the pipe he is cooking something, means that is his kitchen, right? Next, see, now Chotu is standing outside his house and looking on the other side of the road. He saw a boy like him. His name is Monu. Monu has also came for the first time in Ahmedabad. So he also don't have any place to live. So Chotu is looking at him. See here in this picture, Chotu has invited Monu to stay with him in his house. And why has he invited him? Because Chotu is living alone only. And he also need a friend with whom he can chat and live with. You also love to live with your friends, na? Like that only Chotu also love that someone could stay with him and with whom he can talk. So he invited Monu to live with him. And also he knows that when he came to first time in this city, how difficulties he has to face because he has no house. So he invited Monu, so he couldn't have to face such difficulties. So they are sitting outside the sitting area and drinking the tea and chatting with each other. So this is our story. I think all of you have understood now this story. See, after seeing these pictures and the story, I think you all might have understood the story of Chotu and his house. Means how he has made a pipe his house and divided it into different parts. So now there are some questions related to this pictorial story. Means you have to find the answers of the questions with these pictures only. So let us see what are the questions. The first one is, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? As you know that Chotu has came for the first time to Ahmedabad and he has no place to live. So after seeing this pipe, he thought to live in that pipe and make that pipe as his home. Because nobody will ask the rent. Rent means money to live in that pipe, and he might also protect himself from the heat, rain and sun. Okay? The next question is, how did Chotu use the pipe? So to use the pipe as his home, Chotu has divided the pipe into different parts, like for the sleeping, then for cooking the food, then drying the clothes, then sitting arrangements, etc. Right? Now the next one is, into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? Surrounding area means the area outside the pipe. Right? So the Chotu has divided its pipe into like area for the sleeping, area for drying the wet clothes, then he cooked his food outside the pipe, and the surrounding area as a sitting with the friends or chatting with the friends. Right? Now the next question is, into which part of this house would Chotu like to spend most of his time? See, in your house also, there might be one place where you like to spend the most of your time. Like that only, in the Chotu's house also, there is one place where Chotu like to spend his time. See, you all love to play with your friends, right? Like that only, Chotu's favorite place is the place where he can sit and chat with his friends. Now, the next question is, why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? See, in the story we have seen that Chotu has invited one boy named Monu to live with him in that pipe. And do you know why he has invited him? Because when Chotu has came to the Ahmedabad first time, he know how difficulties or how much difficulties he has to face, because he has no home to live. Like that only, Monu has also came for the first time in the Ahmedabad, so he also have no place to live. And also the Chotu wants a friend with whom he can talk and live with. So he invited Monu to live with him in that pipe. You also love to chat and play and stay with your friends, na? Like that only, Chotu also wants a friend who lives with him and chat with him. Okay? Understood everyone? Now the next question is, how will you make house in pipe if you were Chotu? Means, if you were in the place of Chotu, then how will you make your house in that pipe like Chotu has made? See, now you are living in a big and beautiful house, right? And you have decorated that house also as your wish. But imagine if you have to live in the pipe, then how will you make it? So I can say that I will make the curtains on the both side of the pipe, so that I can protect my house from the heat and the dust also, right? This is my answer. You can write it by yourself also, how you can make a house in that pipe. Thank you for joining us.